In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Cisco Systems stock. My dear friends, this stock has already broken out from an important resistance level, and there are multiple positive factors which has already been triggered, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. And my dear friends, this is also an follow-up video. Just a month ago, I had shared you the detailed analysis on this video where we have identified a falling wedge pattern on this stock. If you want, I had shared you my previous analysis video link on this description. Just go and check it out, where how I had identified the falling wedge pattern. If you come to the chart, you'll be able to see this was a pattern we had identified. This was a pattern we had identified a month ago, and I had shared you the detailed analysis. I had shared you the where to enter. This white line was our entry point, and this two green line was our target. And after that, after our breakout, you had seen the massive upside run. So here our target is completed. Our first analysis that we have identified the falling wedge and target is done, and now there is a follow-up chart pattern breakout. If you'll see, if I'll take you to the lower time frame, there is another pattern which got trigger, and you can still hold your position for a more upside. We are already 10% plus, and there is a follow-up chart pattern breakout that will trigger the stock more upside move of 10% from the current price. We are already more than 10% in the profit, and after this follow-up after this follow-up breakout, the stock will give you a more upside move of 10%. Here we can go to the lower time frame. If I'll take you to the lower time frame, you'll be able to see there is an inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout. My dear friends, if you'll see, there is another pattern breakout over here, so you can keep your position on hold, and you can trail your position with the stop loss, and you can ride on the profit. And now the ultimate target will be $85. So no need to book the profit. You can hold your trade and trail your stop loss until $85. This stock will give you a more upside move until $85, because there is a follow-up chart pattern breakout that we call it as an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Earlier we have identified the first, we have on daily time frame we had identified the falling wedge, and after that on hourly time frame we had identified inverted head and shoulder pattern. So both the pattern is positive. One pattern target is done, and another pattern target is still under process. So you can hold the trade until $85. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.